What's up guys, Tony here with HighTechCheck, and today we're going to be taking a look at a pair of active noise canceling headphones made by MixCder. Now this is the A9 model. It's one of their more expensive models. As you can see here, it's got a transmission distance of about 50 feet indoors. Now when I did my testing on this, I got about 45 to 50 indoors. So your mileage may vary depending on, if you have to go through any walls or anything like that. Of course, you're going to get less distance. It has a 40 millimeter driver. The impedance is 32. Sensitivity is 94 decibels. It's got a built-in 500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. Playtime without the active noise canceling is about 30 hours and with is about 24 hours. Now I've been using these for about a week. And I use them for probably about an hour or two every day or for when I go to the gym. And I have not had to recharge them at all again. The first time I charged them, it took probably 3.5 hours to totally charge. And then after that, it should only take you about, 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. So let's go ahead and see what you get inside the box. Okay, so here you get this nice little hard case. Protects your headphones. And inside, here are your headphones. Here's all your cables. You get a male-to-male headphone jack in case you want to plug it into, your phone or pretty much anything else that has a headphone jack. Get your micro USB charging cable. Here's your airplane adapter. And then you get your manual and a little thank you card. So here are the headphones. You can fold them up like this to fit inside the little case, or you can also fold them up kind of like this to make them a little more compact, say to maybe fit inside your book bag or whatever. Now as far as the construction, they are pretty much made of a plastic. They do have some metal in here, kind of for your head, but it doesn't feel really cheap. It feels sort of premium, even though it is surrounded by plastic. They don't weigh a whole bunch, but they do weigh enough, just so, like I said, to make them feel somewhat premium. They have like this nice faux leather pad for the top of your head. And as I showed you before, you can extend these, and it's got like little notches, so you can kind of tell, where you're, if you can hear that, or where you want to have them. It doesn't just slide. It has like little notches. You can hear the clicks. As far as the earphones, they're nice and soft. They have that faux leather again. They pretty much cover your ear, so it can drown out any outside noises normally to an extent. And then when you need a lot of noise canceling, it has the active noise canceling button right over here that you can turn on. And that pretty much drowns out probably like 90% of the outside sound. When I was wearing these in the gym, they have a very loud air conditioning system. And when I turn on the active noise canceling, I cannot hear it anymore. So that's pretty nice. Noise canceling is pretty good on these. So let's go ahead and take a look around the sides here. Here you have your little headphone jack plug-in. You can use these headphones even if the battery doesn't have any charge, which is really nice. Obviously you can't use active noise canceling, but you can use these continuously wired when it does not have any power. The only thing with the headphone jack is you cannot use the mic that's built into this. You can only use the sound. So here is the active noise canceling button here. Then over here you have your volume buttons up and down. They also act as your skip and replay buttons if you're listening to music. So, like when I'm at the gym, I put my phone, down on a bench or something, and then I'll, push and hold the plus to skip to the next track. And you can do the same thing to the minus to go back a track too, which is pretty convenient. So you can do all that right from your headset. Here is the micro USB plug. Then you got your little LED here that blinks red and light to kind of let you know if it's paired up, if it's running out of battery. Your little mic there, and then the power button. Another nice little feature about this is when you turn it on, it actually tells you that it's turned on, and if it turns off, it says, turning off.
Power on. Power off.
As well as if somebody's calling you, it announces who's calling. So you never have to take your phone out of your pocket. Everything can be done or heard right from the headphones here. You can also answer the phone call and end the phone call with these two as well. You just can't, dial, obviously, so you do that from your phone, but you can do everything else from here. So another nice feature is you don't have to have these paired up or turned on to use the active noise canceling. You just have to have battery. So as you can see, it is not on right now. The little blue LED is not blinking or solid. And you can turn on the active noise canceling, as you can see the little blue LED right there. So they are noise canceling right now. So it kind of helps you save a little battery. Now, as far as the sound quality goes, these have exceptional bass. I was very, very impressed when I heard the amount of bass that came out of these. The highs and the mids are also pretty decent too. Now, when you're using the active noise canceling, the quality of the sound kind of takes a little hit. When you turn the noise canceling on, it kind of sounds like it flattens out the sound a little bit, and it turns up the loudness a lot. So if you're not using the active noise canceling, it's definitely going to sound a little better. But if you need that noise canceling, then you really don't have a choice but to turn that on. I also didn't notice any lag when watching videos with this. I had this paired up to my Galaxy S10 Plus, and I was watching some YouTube videos, and there was not any lag whatsoever. So that is definitely a plus. When I was wearing these at the gym, I never had to worry about these slipping off my head, especially when I laid down on like a bench or something. They definitely do hug your head really well, so you don't have to worry about these slipping off. And they were super comfortable to wear for at least an hour when I was working out. So you can use these, when you're on the treadmill or, probably walking, not really running, although you probably could run with these, or on the elliptical or working out or anything like that. And like I said, they have like a 50+ foot range out in the open inside. So that worked out pretty well too. And like I said before, if you use the plug-in for the headphones, you can't use the mic. And I figured that out when I went to go use these with my Xbox controller. I could hear sound, but I could not talk. It also states it in the manual too as well. So I just want to make you guys aware of that. So pretty much anything that you can hook up to Bluetooth, you can use these headphones to. I've used it with my iPhone. I've used it with my Android phone. I hooked them up to my Mac. I have a little Samsung Galaxy Watch that you can hook these up to. If you want to leave your phone at home, you can still play your music, without having to worry about carrying your phone around. So there's a lot of uses for this. So if you guys are looking for a good set of headphones for a decent price, then I would definitely recommend that you check these out. I also will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check these out yourself. And if you do, please use that link because it definitely helps keep me making videos for you guys. And if you do have any questions for me, please feel free to ask, and I'll be more than happy to test or try out anything you guys are interested in seeing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.